folks, it's me again with a couple of tool reviews. So this time, got a couple. I want to do them all separate videos because that's what I do. First one is, what was I going to say? Yeah, what was it? First tool review is, a while back, I picked up this Pittsburgh transfer punch set. And believe it or not, I left the other one in the car. Did I bring this? Yeah, I brought it. Okay. I picked it up, and lo and behold, they gave me a new one. What is this one? That's the other one. Well, anyway, transfer punch set. I picked it up. I bought it at Harbor Freight, and apparently it has a lifetime warranty. So instead of returning it, they gave me a brand new one. And the dude told me, don't even have to bring the whole thing back. I just bring the broken piece. So, question is how did he know it's from the Pittsburgh thing? But anyway, straight exchange, no hassle, no problem, nothing. So that was really cool. And while I was there, I picked up a U.S. General drawer liner. 18 by whatever drawer liner. I bought it for the drawer down here, but man, I don't like the color. Kind of sad. I think it's the color. Let's see what it is. Drawer liner, non-slip, blah, blah, blah. I'm sure you all know it. I'm sure most of the people know what this is more than me, because I don't really, last time I bought drawer liners was probably 15 years ago. Let me see if I can get it open here. In fact, I bought the big fancy snap-on ones, which, so they're actually, I can't complain about the snap-ons. They're pretty good. I mean, I shouldn't say pretty good. They were pretty damn good. So these are, yeah. Basically, it's like, looks like a roll of roofing tar, only it's plastic. So yeah, got me nice little big roll. I think it was $7.95. So I want to put this in the. But do you put them in this way maybe, or do you put it in this way? I don't know. I'm gonna cut them out. I guess it's. Cut a bunch of them out for the little Craftsman box, and I have more for next time. That's pretty much the end of that tool review. Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm not using my microphone, it's because my microphone don't like the weather. It just goes dead. It's too cold for a lithium battery microphone. So I'm just going to use this for now. Besides, I'm not running all over the place. Anyway, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tell me you like the shirt, or tell me you like the video. And thanks for subscribing and watching my video. Thanks for watching.